Pax et bonum, peace and all good. My name is Brother Zechariah Mathew, OFM Cap. I was born originally in India, Kerala, but at the age of 3 I moved to New Zealand and I was raised there. My entire family is there, and it's after 22 long years I'm here in India. Continuing my formation with the Capuchin Brotherhood. I will be doing my philosophy studies very soon in Tamil Nadu, Kottagiri. Right now I am in Lucknow, just for the meantime, just to be immersed within this fraternity. And it's been a blessing so far. So, although the climate is something that I have to get used to.
It's really hot.
It is really, really hot. New Zealand is a very cold country. However, we do get all 4 seasons in a day, okay? Summer, winter, autumn.
One day.
And
it's only hot and hot here.
I see. So apart from that, thank you. Deo gratias.
I think, are you a citizen of New Zealand now?
Yes, I am a citizen of New Zealand.
Dual citizenship. You are also
not
Indian.
Technically, I do have the OCI card though that permits me to travel to and fro from India whenever I please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, brother, tell me about you.
Pax et bonum. Hello, kia ora, namaste, jajesu. Mera naam Brother Mathew hai. My name is Brother Mathew. Main New Zealand se hum. I'm from New Zealand. I'm actually originally from the Philippines. I moved to New Zealand when I was 4 years old, and it has been the best decision in my life. New Zealand is so beautiful, but it's such a blessing that we were able to bring New Zealand to India. I moved to India in 2022 in April, and it's been a very interesting journey. When I came here, me and my brother Zechariah got very sick because maybe the virus or maybe just the travel, but also because of the weather. It's been
weather and climate.
The weather and climate was very hot, so our throats were aching for a few days and we weren't able to speak fully. But the reality is we're here now and we're celebrating this beautiful feast with many brothers, not only just 2 of us, not only just 3 of us in our community, but now 10 or more sometimes, and it's been very, very good. I would like to share one quote with you. It's in Hindi, and I want you to remember it. It's Hamesha Musko Raiye. Is that say right?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Always
keep smiling.
Always keep smiling.
Because it's good. God is always good, and He's going to work in your life.
In other words, always be happy.
Always be healthy?
Always be happy in life.
Always be happy, yes. Always be happy in life.
Now, we have one another person seated here. एक हमारे भाई हैं तमिलनाडु से. मैं उनसे भी कुछ सुनना चाहूँगा. तो ब्रदर, आप अपने बारे में बताएं, परिचय दें.
My father Anand Award, और मैं यहाँ लखनऊ में शायद ही 1.5 साल से हूँ, और उससे पहले मैं रांची में काम किया हूँ. रांची में ऑलमोस्ट 20 साल वहीं पर था, और यहाँ पर लखनऊ ऑन द वे टू लंदन, और वीज़ा के इंतज़ार में ही हूँ यहाँ पे. और मैं बेसिकली मैसूर से हूँ. मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मम्मी मैसूर के हैं और पापा कोयम्बतूर के हैं. सो उन्हीं का मिश्रण से हम यहाँ. So, and my studies basically happened in Andhra, so I also know Telugu very well, so I speak. Then I understand Malayalam, of course, and Konkani, Tulu, Hindi, English, so it goes well.
You are very rich in language.
Thank you. And,
languages.
And since I worked in Ranchi, I understand Mundari quite well. And Sadri, of course, is quite fluent, and Hindi.
We're having our celebration tonight because we're having celebration with each other, but also in our church, we're having a big celebration because we believe that Jesus is risen from the dead. And that's
not just today, but every single day.
Every single day. But today we celebrated. We celebrated the most out of the whole year.
This is something we've been anticipating for so long. We were actually hoping that we would celebrate the Easter Triduum and the entire Lenten season in New Zealand, but God had other plans, and now we are here in India. We are part of the preparation and part of the big celebratory feast. We don't get anything like this. Like we were just talking about Holy Thursday and how so much effort goes into the decorations, into setting up the altar, into setting up the flowers, into the practicing of all the singing, the serving. So much preparation goes into this, and it's only is held for 2 hours. Right after the 2 hours, okay, everything is taken down. Okay, and the fact that so much dedication, so much passion, so much time and effort and sacrifice is put into a 2-hour event just amazes me. It amazes me. And now we're in the preps for one of the biggest, the feast of all feasts for the church. And I can tell that a lot of just as much effort and time is being put into this celebration as we this.
We are very happy to hear both of you.
Hosanna Paravet Saga Sakala Characha Kate Prabhuji Hosanna Hosanna Paravet Saga Sakala Characha Kate Prabhuji Hosanna. Acha?
और उसको न्यूजीलैंड में भी सुनाएंगे.
New Zealand song?
Maori.
Maori. Mo Maria Yane Ota Tohoyata Kia Kaharata To Kia Nuite Aroha Mo Maria Yane Ota Tohoyata
तो बहुत बढ़िया लगा, बहुत मेलोडी लगा आपका गाना.
धन्यवाद.
न्यूजीलैंड से आपने दोस्तों, आप लोगों ने सुना अभी भाई न्यूजीलैंड से हैं और 14 दिन पहले यहाँ इंडिया में आए हैं और इतना बढ़िया हिंदी बोल रहे हैं और हिंदी में गाना भी सुना है आप लोगों को. बहुत खूब, बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं न्यूजीलैंड के भाई से बात कर पा रहा हूँ और हिंदी और इंग्लिश में भी बात कर रहा हूँ. आपने 2 गाना सुना, बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा.
Then of course, for the Kurukh world, since I'm here, I know 2-3 words in some songs that we used to sing when we were in Ranchi with the people. And since I was in Chhattisgarh for a few months, so that's how it is. And I wish all the best for the Kurukh world to be united and keep the language working and moving ahead with a great person here.
Thanks.
Hello, Kurukh world. I just want to let you know that you should subscribe here below. It will be an awesome experience. You can learn more about the Kurukh culture, Kurukh world, and I hope to see you there next time. Peace and all good.
Yo, hit that subscribe button, Kurukh World, and like and share, please, to all your friends. We want to reach 1 million subscribers. I'm pretty sure. No, that's too high. Okay, you said it was 67,000, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to reach 100,000. I don't know when that will happen, but I'm sure it's possible. Given the dense population of India, I'm very, very sure. Okay. Also, what else can I say? Have a blessed year of 2022. I hope most likely we'll be seeing each other again. Who knows? Time will tell. Peace out. Happy Easter.
All right.
Thank you.
God bless.